Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you guys how to make the Dal Tadka. So dal are basically lentils. So I have in my Dal Tadka I take four kind of lentils. This is masoor dal, and this is chana dal, and this is moong dal, and I have a tur dal. Four kind of lentils I take it. And I mean everybody have the different recipe, different way of cooking, but I take these particularly these four lentils because when they cooked all together, three of them get like a mashed, almost cooked like they mix together, but the chana is still there are some pieces still you can see it after even cooked. They don't get messed easily, so that when you eat the dal, I want to feel some lentils in there too, so this gives some kind of crunch. That's a trick in there. And so I wash them like a 2 to 3 times, then just boil with the water and salt and little bit turmeric. That's it, nothing else. But if you want to have more flavor, you can add a little bit crushed garlic and some tomatoes for the boiling time if you want it, otherwise fine. And I'm showing this one because everybody have the busy life, and if they don't have much time to cook, they just boil the lentil, keep in your refrigerator, and it's very good for 4 to 5 days. And after that, whenever you need it, take a little bit amount and just make the temper. You can cook in a different ways. I will show you in my different session. I will show you the different way of cooking the lentil as well. Today I am going to show you the very basic North Indian style Dal Tadka. It's very famous dish in India. So what we have here is very simple here. Red chilies whole, they give you nice smoky flavors, but if you don't like more heat, you don't have to put it. And I have some cumin seed here, and some chopped onion, I have some chopped garlic, and chopped cilantro. And this is a dal, it's cooked already, so we keep in the refrigerator, and whenever you need to eat it, you can just make tadka, or what you call it, you can temper it with the different spices. And here we have the tomato I showed you already, and the oil, and I have a little bit butter. If you are vegan, you can stay away from the butter, but I like a little bit of butter in there, just give you a nice flavor. So we turn it on the pan. So as you see, like a dal is very easy to cook here. It's cooked very well here. It's 20 to 30 minutes you have to cook it. You see there is a one piece, you can see like a 1 or 2 piece dal. Those are the chana dal, and other dals, they are all messed up, and all they are mashed already. All that they mashed up already. So they mashed, but still you can see some chunk of the lentils. Those are the chana dal. So when you're eating the dal, you can feel in your mouth you're eating dal. So that's good. And so our pan is hot here, so we're gonna add some oil here. And remember, this process should be very quick. Your pan should be hot and oil will be hot very fast here. And we're gonna put some 2 chilies in here, and you see that these are crackling here. And we're gonna add the cumin seed here. You see that? The process should be fast. You see, they are getting golden brown, nice. Don't cook more than that. Then we're gonna give a little bit color to the garlic. See, garlic got the color. We're gonna add the onion. We're gonna add some tomatoes. Make sure they don't get burned. You can lower your temperature or the fire if you think they are burning. I'm gonna add a little bit salt in here. A little bit salt. And sometimes if you want to add some vegetable, you can add in here. Sometimes what I do if I'm lazy and I don't want to cook any other dish, so I add some broccoli, saute the broccoli, then I add the other stuff in here. Or you can add the chicken or the carrot, peas, anything you like to add. You can add it. But this is a basic dal tadka I'm showing you guys today. So only the spice going in here is a little bit turmeric. Very healthy, and I'm gonna add a little bit chili powder. I like a little bit heat, but if you want to be mild, you avoid the chili powder. You don't have to do chili powder. And if you want a little bit more flavor, we can add green chilies as well. And then after this, we're gonna add this boiled lentil in here. Slowly. This is very simple dish, and follow this recipe. You see that it's very simple to cook, and I'm telling you, this is the one of the best. I love this dish. I mean, I eat mostly my in every meal I eat some dal. I love dal tadka, so, and also it's healthy. It has all the legumes, they are full of protein. And if you think you need to add a little bit water, if it's too thick, you can add a little bit water if you like to. Looks so good in here. And I'm gonna add a little bit butter here and a little bit cilantro here and mix it. And it's ready to go. That's it. And you can eat with the rice, or you can eat with the bread. You can eat with anything you want. Here I'm gonna eat with the rice. Oh my, look at this dish. As you see that it is very easy to cook, and it doesn't have a lot of prep. So this is my everyday meal. I mean, if somebody wanna give me in the breakfast, lunch and dinner, I can eat all the way. I mean, it's really delicious, and also it's healthy. So I hope you guys will like this one. Try it and let me know how you like it. If you like this video, please subscribe and like, and see you in the next season. Thank you.